And right now I'd like to welcome Ray Boggio and going to talk about a brand new club. It's called the Delux Nightclub. And Ray's been on before with the Ballroom Dancers. So it's great to have you back again, sir.
Thank you, Ken.
Tell me about this. How does this differ from some of the other dance clubs, your own, by the way, your own ballroom dancing club?
Right. Well, I, with some of my friends, have experimented over the last couple of years in having a few events that basically try to break out of the ballroom and provide a mix of music that is between some rock and roll, some ballroom, some Latin and nightclub, a little bit of disco, some Argentine tango, so that everybody has a chance to get up, whether they want to freestyle or they actually want to couples dance. And we found that right mix that people have come back and said, we really, really enjoyed that evening. The music was fun.
Yeah, I think you're right about that. You vary it up a little bit, and it kind of sounds from the mix you just told me there, you're sort of looking at the 80s kind of era. Only because during that time, all these different things started to come to, you mentioned like Miami Sound Machine. Remember them? With,
yes,
Gloria
absolutely, yeah.
You know, that kind of Latin music, that was sort of disco rock, kind of all big band, all in one.
All in one, that's right, yeah.
That was great music.
Yeah, it was. It was a lot of fun, and we will definitely have some of that kind of music in our events.
Yeah, so this is brand new. You're just starting up, and we're going to put the flyer up in just a bit, but this is going to be next Tuesday,
It's
right?
next Tuesday,
that's
correct.
right, July already.
Yeah,
wow.
It's coming fast.
And tell us about, is this a club that people need to join, or you're going to do this once a month? They just show up and come to there, and is there a fee?
Yeah, this event is free, and we will actually have several events over the year that will be free. If you want to join the club, there are some benefits. A discount for the dances. There will be a cost to come to some of the dances that we have.
Got it.
And but also, we will be offering some dance lessons that focus on looking good in a nightclub and a party setting. If you want to freestyle, that's one thing, but if you actually want to start to, let's say you want to do a salsa, and you don't know how to do it, and you don't know how to do it with a partner, well, maybe you might want to take a lesson or two just to know how to do it and have some fun. Yeah,
and of course, you already know about that stuff, don't you? Your background here. And as far as people coming there, do they singles, couples, whatever?
I would say it's great for couples to come. It's also great for if a woman with a few of her girlfriends want to show up for the evening. It'll be good to dance by yourselves, or also there'll be other single people there to dance and just have fun. You know? More of a nightclub setting.
So what are you doing as far as providing the music? Are you going to have a DJ? How is that going to work?
We have for this event here, we will have a new DJ that's coming into the village. It's very good, comes with a lot of years of experience in a variety of genres of music. And we have been working very closely with him to come up with the specific playlist that we want, that we know will get everybody up on the floor.
That'll be a lot of fun.
It will be.
This is the first one, right? When did you start putting this all together? When have you been?
Well, we have had events that go back a couple of years. This year we actually did 2. And again, they turned out to be a lot of fun. But this is the first time we're actually doing formally as a formal club of the village.
So that's something different. It's a lot of fun, and you're going to have some snacks there and all. This first one is open to everyone. I mean, open meaning it's free.
It's free.
Okay.
Absolutely.
And it's at Clubhouse 5 next Tuesday, July 2nd already, from 7 to 9:30. And you put on the flyer here, must VIP, right?
Yeah, because we just want to make sure we have the right amount of seating, and that when we say snacks, it's more like really nice hors d'oeuvres. So we want to make sure that we have plenty of food.
And Ray's number is 949-613-4630.
That's correct.
And I doubt this is on the club pages yet, right?
Not yet. We're so new that I don't think we're up there yet.
Right, but it will be. And going forward, you're looking at doing this once a month? Is that the plan, or every couple months?
Dances big like this, we're looking to do them about 7 to 8 times a year.
Okay.
But we're also going to be looking to do a little bit more intimate and smaller dances that maybe feature a specific genre of music, for example, Argentine tango.
Okay.
And we would set up the environment a little bit in a smaller space.
Yeah.
For example, Clubhouse 6 is dance floor.
Right.
And create that feel like you would be in a tangeria in Buenos Aires type of feel. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
So something that for everyone, it sounds like, throughout the year.
Yes, and of those smaller type of dances, we're looking to do 4 to 6 a year.
Yeah. Wow. You got quite a schedule coming up.
Yep.
Along with your ballroom.
Along with the ballroom. Yeah, that still is. And the other thing we're going to be doing is also a showcase in this one. We will have some hula dancers because it's summer.
Yeah, I saw that. In fact, I was looking. People get up and hula too if they want.
They could if they want.
All right. That'll be fun.
Yeah, and we'll also have a really fun showcase that does a fusion of West Coast swing and cha-cha.
Okay.
And we'll have another fusion dance showcase that'll feature rumba and Argentine tango.
All right. Very good. This is going to be a lot of fun.
It is.
Again, please RSVP to Ray. His number is 949-613-4630. This is going to be happening next week, Tuesday, July 2nd, 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. at Clubhouse 5, and a lot of good music to dance to, hula dancers to watch, and great hors d'oeuvres as well.
Right.
Good to
Thank
see
you
you.
so
Hope
much,
to see you back again.
Yeah.
You take care, and we'll be right back.
Great. Thank you.